This exceptional and beautifully furnished 3-bedroom, 3-bath corner end unit in Yacht Club Villas at Barefoot Resort is totally renovated and move-in ready. Featuring an open floor plan with abundant natural light and large bedrooms with their own baths, this unit offers unrivaled spaciousness and versatility. 2 balconies with gorgeous waterway views, updated appliances and motorized louvered window shades add to the serene feel and impressive character of this special home. Other outstanding refinements include premium quartz and granite counters and windowsills, updated lighting, and smart thermostats. Yacht Club Villas and Barefoot Resort offer unbeatable amenities, including the largest pool in North Myrtle Beach, championship golf courses, restaurants, shopping, entertainment, and the absolute best this Atlantic Ocean town has to offer. This opportunity is just in time for spring and summer, so call today.